Hi there.
Have you always wondered to see if your baking soda or if your baking powder is any good, if it's still as strong as when you purchased it without looking at expiration dates? So this is the test. This is a short video to show you how to know whether this is still going to leaven your bread or your baked goods. So first we take a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and with the baking powder we're going to put half a cup of hot water, and it bubbles. That means it's good. Yay! See the bubbles? Shelf life for baking powder is 12 months and for baking soda is 6 months. Now what I do with baking soda, I separate, and I have 2 baking soda. One I leave in the refrigerator, which I put in order to eliminate any odors in the fridge, and then one is for baking. So this time I'm going to take a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and I'm going to experiment it with vinegar. Take a quarter teaspoon of baking soda with a quarter cup of white distilled vinegar, and it should bubble. And if it doesn't, then you know that your baking soda is bad. So here we are. This is the test. Look how bubbly that is. So we know our baking soda has passed the test. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for joining me.